morning dear students, this is Neetu from St. Paul's School, and in this class today we will discuss about diary entry, because in your question paper in 9th class, in your question paper question number 3 will be for diary entry. There will be a choice, you can attempt a paragraph or you can attempt this diary entry, and this question will be of 5 marks. So today we will study about this, how we can write diary entry. Because as you know that many people maintain diary. It means in our daily life, in that particular day, how they spend their day, in the night or in the morning, whatever their suitable time, they write in the whole work in their diary, how they feel, what work they have done, to which they have met, like this. So how we will write diary entry, how we will maintain diary. Just like I am telling you one question, that is that you are going to participate in an exam or competition. All night you sit preparing various topics. You are shaken awake by a bad dream. Write a diary entry about this experience in 100 to 150 words. Like that you have seen a bad dream, and now about your bad dream you have to write in your diary. So how we will write? So when we are writing diary, first what we will write? We will write the name of the day. Like today is Monday, so we will write like this on this side only, left side. Monday, then comma, then we will write the date like that. Today is 26th October. So we have written. Then after this we will leave one line. One line we will leave. Later then we will write time when we are writing the diary like that. Now is 10. So 10 a.m. we have written. Again we will leave one line. Then we will write dear diary. After writing this, again we will leave one line. Clear? Then we will write, this part is called the body of the diary entry. Now we will explain properly, and this body should be divided in 2 or 3 paragraphs, because you have to write 100 to 150 words, and it will look effectively if we are dividing in 2 or 3 paragraphs. So about this bad dream, what we will write? Oh, what a dream! I was still sweating. What a strange dream! And just hours after I have to speak in my first exam board debate, I dreamed I am on my way to school. So first, in the starting 2 lines, what we will write? That, oh, what a strange dream I have seen. Like this, starting should be in 1 or 2 lines related to the topic, whatever topic given in our question paper. So that we will write in 1 or 2 lines, and later then again we will change the paragraph, and later we will describe what we have seen. I dreamed I am on my way to school. Strangely, the busy roads are deserted, not a bus, not a taxi, and not even a cyclist on the road. I reached school and the guard looks at me with a peculiar look. I run to my classroom, not a child inside. No school bags on the benches. It means which kind of bad dream he had, that the particular boy had seen, that when he reached the school, the guard was staring at him peculiarly way, and when he found that no one was there in the classroom. I peep out of my classroom's window. No morning assembly in progress. I seem to be in a ghost school. It was looking like that I reached at the ghost school, because no one was there. No one in sight. I start panicking and run towards the principal's office. I hear a loud laughter and a stentorian voice saying loudly, "You fool! You think you are an orator? Go back, Arun!" Stunned, I run and find myself on the bedroom floor. The debate is tomorrow. Today is Sunday. And what actually the bad dream was that he reached in the school on the Sunday, and so because Sunday is a holiday, so no one was there in the school. So like this he have to write the body of the diary entry, and later then when we complete, that is over. At the end, no need to write your name. If you know question paper given, then you can write, otherwise no need to write. Just like this we have to explain. So this is called the diary entry, and this question is of 5 marks. Okay. So after this video I will send you one question with solution. So this one question is enough, you have to write in your notebook. Thank you for watching the video.